Nice and decorative garage doors not only serve as a functional entryway for your vehicles but also add a touch of style and beauty to your home's exterior. These doors come in a wide variety of designs, materials, and finishes, allowing you to choose one that complements your home's architecture and enhances its curb appeal. From classic carriage-style doors to modern and sleek designs, decorative garage doors can elevate the overall aesthetics of your property. They often feature intricate details, decorative hardware, and customizable options, allowing you to create a unique and personalized look. With their combination of functionality and visual appeal, nice and decorative garage doors are a fantastic way to make a statement and enhance the overall charm of your home.